humility, I thank you for coming here today and attending this training, and most of all, for putting your trust in Prime Z. Welcome home to Prime Z. This course was designed to steer life to the humble beginnings of Prime Z. This is our way of preparing you before engaging in the direct selling business. Well, you should have or you should possess the requisite knowledge, skills, and importantly, the required attitude.
Success leaders, ito yung pinipreach, di ba? Attitude of gratitude. Kasi tama naman, no? Sa kahit anong situation, dapat thankful tayo. Dapat nakikita natin yung mga blessings, no? Despite may challenges, despite maraming problems, no? The moment you stop learning daw, no? Is the moment you start dying. So, ang pinaka-goal ng personality development is to enhance yung mga skills natin, talents natin, no? And things that will make us more successful, no?
Is very important, and developing people to become leaders. The organizational objective of Prime Z, of course, is to prosper on as a corporation. And in the process, each one of us is adding up to the value of Prime Z as we earn from our distribution and direct selling activities. These organizational objectives cannot be achieved without the support and initiative and innovation of each and every one.
Alam mo kasi kapatid, sa totoo lang, yung mga magagaling na speaker, yung puso nila ang nagsasalita. Tama po ba? Yes! Once na ang puso mo na ang nagsasalita, I'm sure, di ba, hindi ka naman may mental block. Authentic na yung story mo. And mai-inspire mo na yung audience mo. Ang totoong labanan, kapatid, wala dito sa loob ng Bayanihan Center. Ang totoong laban natin, once na natapos na yung buong training, kung i-apply mo ba. Tama po ba? Yes. Kaya kapatid, I have 3 words for you. Just do it!
Remember mga kapatid, we have now opened ourselves a powerful tool that can change others' lives and achieve our dreams. Yung binayaran nyo na amount, whatever na amount na binayaran nyo para kayo nandito, hindi yun makukumpare sa natutunan nyo ngayon. Tama po ba? Kasi yung mga dinidiscuss namin ngayon, it's more than 100,000. It's more than 200,000. But because meron kayong company na nakakaintindi sa inyo at nakikinig sa inyo, andito kayo ngayon with a small amount that you pay.
Gratitude is the highest form of receivership. The more you practice gratitude, the more you attract good things back to your life.
kailangan nating i-acknowledge lahat ng sakripisyo, lahat ng ambag ng bawat team members. Kailangan nating i-celebrate small winnings man yan, big winnings man yan. Bakit? Acknowledgement gives you self-value. We work as one. We win as one. We are one France.
Itong industriya na to, sobra ko na in love. Kasi number one, ang pinag-uusapan dito pangarap. Kung sino ko ngayon, dahil yun lahat sa nakaraan ko. At pinatibay lang ako ng lahat ng. At lahat ng pinagdadaanan mo ngayon kapatid, ako na magsasabi sa'yo, pinatitibay ka lang yan. Pinatatatag ka lang yan. At soon, pasasalamatan mo yan dahil payayamanin ka yan. Di ba? Ganun talaga eh. Paganda ng paganda yung mga nangyayari, no? Kaya talagang ibigay natin ito. Di ba? Number one, tiwala sa Panginoon, no? Yan. And siyempre, di ba? Makikita yon through our actions. Prime Z! Welcome